Imagine a world where machines make decisions for us. How comfortable are you entrusting your life to algorithms? This is not a dystopian future, but the reality we live in today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere. It recommends your next movie on Netflix, powers your smartphone assistant, and even helps diagnose diseases. But as AI becomes more pervasive, it brings with it a slew of ethical questions. What happens when an AI system makes a mistake? Who is responsible? How do we ensure fairness and avoid bias in AI algorithms? These are not just questions for computer scientists or data analysts. They're questions for all of us because AI affects all of us. Understanding the ethical implications of AI, regardless of one's technical background, is crucial. Our journey today explores these ethical dimensions of artificial intelligence as we delve into real-world case studies. Consider the case of COMPAS, a risk assessment tool used in the criminal justice system. COMPAS, which stands for Correctional Offender Management Profiling for Alternative Sanctions, is an algorithm designed to predict the likelihood of a defendant reoffending, known as their recidivism risk. This tool, embraced by many for its promise of objectivity and efficiency, soon became a subject of controversy. It was found that COMPAS exhibited a significant bias against African American defendants. According to a study conducted by ProPublica, an independent nonprofit newsroom, African American defendants were almost twice as likely as their white counterparts to be labeled as high risk, but not actually reoffend. Conversely, white defendants were more likely to be labeled as low risk, and then go on to commit another crime. Now let's pause for a moment and think about what this implies. An algorithm, a set of mathematical rules designed to make decisions, was making biased predictions. And these weren't just any decisions. They were decisions that could significantly impact a person's life, potentially leading to longer sentences, harsher parole terms, and a host of other negative consequences. The implications are far-reaching, underscoring the potential harm such biases can cause. It's not just about fairness, though. That's certainly a critical element. It's also about the ripple effects these decisions can have on communities, perpetuating cycles of disadvantage and inequality. Moreover, the COMPAS case raises serious questions about transparency and accountability in AI. How can we ensure that these algorithms are fair and unbiased? How can we make sure they're not perpetuating harmful stereotypes or injustices? And who should be held accountable when they do? As we can see, AI is not immune to biases, and the repercussions can be significant. It's a clear reminder that as we move forward with these technologies, we need to be mindful not only of their potential benefits, but also of their potential pitfalls. Our challenge is to harness the power of AI responsibly, ethically, and with an unwavering commitment to justice and equality. Let's turn our attention to Clearview AI, a company that's been under fire for its facial recognition technology. Clearview AI, a tech startup, has been at the center of controversy due to its facial recognition software. This software, capable of matching faces to a database of more than 3 billion images scraped from the internet, has raised eyebrows and alarm bells. The controversy surrounding Clearview AI is multi-layered, with the most prominent concern being the potential invasion of privacy. This technology, while remarkable, presents a significant risk. Imagine a world where your face is not private, where someone could snap a picture of you on the street and, using Clearview's technology, find out who you are, where you live, or what you do. This chilling scenario is not science fiction. It's a reality that Clearview's AI has potentially made possible. Another issue is the misuse of personal data. Clearview AI's database was not built through consensual means. Instead, it was assembled by scraping billions of images from social media platforms and other internet sources, often without the knowledge or consent of the individuals in those images. This raises serious ethical concerns about consent and the right to privacy. The Clearview AI case serves as a stark reminder of the ethical concerns that come with AI technology. It highlights the need for a balance between technological advancement and privacy rights, a balance that is currently tipped in favor of the former. It also underlines the importance of consent in the era of AI. As AI technologies advance and become increasingly integrated into our daily lives, it's critical that we consider and respect the privacy of individuals. After all, innovation should not come at the expense of personal privacy. The Clearview AI case is not an isolated incident. It's a symptom of a larger issue that extends beyond one company or one piece of technology. It's a global problem that needs global solutions. This case underscores the need for robust ethical guidelines in the development and deployment of AI technologies. It's a call to action for policymakers, technologists, and society at large to ensure that the future of AI is ethical, responsible, and respects the rights of individuals. How then do we ensure the responsible and ethical development of AI? It's a question that requires careful thought and decisive action. Let's delve into some potential measures. Firstly, transparency is key. AI systems should not be black boxes where decisions are made mysteriously. We need to understand how an AI system makes decisions, the data it uses, and the logic it follows. Transparency fosters trust, and trust is vital in any relationship, even with our digital counterparts. Next on the list is accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake, who's to blame? Is it the creators, the users, or the AI itself? We need clear lines of accountability so when things go awry, we know who to hold responsible. This isn't about pointing fingers, it's about ensuring that systems are robust, secure, and reliable. Now let's talk about fairness. AI systems should treat everyone equally, without bias or prejudice. This means being mindful of the data we feed into these systems. If the data is biased, the AI will be too. Fairness in AI is about ensuring that the benefits and burdens of AI are distributed evenly across society. Regulation also plays a pivotal role. Governments and international bodies need to set rules to guide AI development. These rules should protect individuals' rights and ensure that AI is used for the greater good. Public awareness is another crucial factor. People need to understand what AI is, how it works, and its potential impact. This understanding will empower individuals to engage in meaningful discussions about AI ethics. Last but not least, education. We need to equip our future generations with the knowledge and skills to navigate the AI-infused world. This includes teaching them about AI ethics, so they can be responsible creators and users of AI. The path towards ethical AI is not straightforward, but it is a journey we must embark on. As we traverse this path, let's remember that our goal is to create AI that respects our values, protects our rights, and enhances our lives. So, what could the future look like if we successfully integrate ethical considerations into AI? Picture a world where AI is not just an auxiliary tool, but a key player in making our society more equitable and efficient. Let's start with healthcare. With an ethical AI framework, we could see a revolution in personalized medicine. Algorithms that can accurately predict and diagnose diseases, while maintaining patient privacy, could usher in a new era of preventative healthcare. In education, AI could democratize access to knowledge. Imagine AI tutors providing personalized learning experiences for every student, regardless of their geographic location or socioeconomic status. These AI systems would be designed to respect and nurture individual learning styles, while avoiding biases that could hinder a student's progress. Transportation is another sector primed for an AI revolution. Autonomous vehicles guided by ethical AI could make our roads safer and more efficient. These self-driving machines would make decisions based on an ethical framework, prioritizing human safety and reducing accidents. But as with any groundbreaking innovation, ethical AI also presents new challenges. The same AI that could personalize education might also gather sensitive data about a child's learning habits. Autonomous vehicles, while reducing accidents, could face split-second ethical decisions with life or death implications. And the AI used in healthcare must be meticulously designed to avoid bias in medical diagnoses and treatments. These are just a few examples of how ethical AI could reshape our world, but they also highlight the importance of developing AI responsibly. We need to ensure that as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it does so in a way that respects our values, our privacy, and our autonomy. As we continue to explore and push the boundaries of AI, we must remember that its development isn't just a technological endeavor, it's also an ethical one. We have the opportunity to create a future where AI doesn't just perform tasks, but does so in a way that is ethically sound and beneficial for all of humanity. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, we must remain vigilant in ensuring its ethical development. As we've seen, the ethical dimensions of AI are complex and far-reaching. We've delved into the biases embedded in AI systems like COMPAS and Clearview AI, revealing the potential harms these technologies can inflict upon society. We've also examined the steps we could take toward developing ethical AI, from transparency to accountability, from privacy to inclusivity. We've glimpsed at the potential impact of AI on humanity's future, the promise of progress, but also the peril of unchecked development. The ethical imperative of AI is clear. As we continue to develop these powerful technologies, we must strive to ensure they reflect our highest ideals, not our basest biases. Whether it's the justice system, facial recognition, or any other application of AI, we must be conscious of the ethical implications. As we shape the future of AI, let us not forget the importance of maintaining our ethical standards. For in the end, the machines we create are a reflection of us.